So habang nagpapahinga tayo, Miss, sagutin natin yung question ni Miss D. So yung bag ni Baby Me na on-lap, kasama po ba siya sa 7 kilos nyo? Yes po, kasama po siya dun sa 7 kilos natin. However, mga Mi, meron pong consideration si airline regarding po dyan. So, di ba, normally po, yung 7 kilos natin is one bag lang dapat siya. But since we are traveling with infant or toddler, ganyan, meron silang consideration na pwede tayong magdala ng more than one bag maliban dun sa pinaka-hand carry natin. Meaning, pwede po tayong magdala ng maximum 2 bags para dun sa gamit ng infant natin. So, include ko na rin na pwede tayong magdala ng more than 100 ml na water, which is yun lang yung allowed kapag ka naka-hand carry ka lang. So, yun nga, kapag may infant ka, may kids ka, if may dala kang water more than 100 ml, ia-allow nila yan. Kahit yung mga gamit natin na cleansing splash, ganyan, kahit na more than 100 ml sila, basta traveling with kids or infant, pwede yan. And also, just wanna make sure, kaya nag-check na rin ako sa website or dun sa chatbot ni airline. And it says here na kapag yung infant is without seat siya, meaning lap carried lang siya, no baggage allowance is provided for infants on lap. Pero naman kapag pinurchase mo siya na with seat, definitely meron siyang sarili na hand carry baggage allowance. So yun lang, I hope I answered your question. So if you have other travel related questions, ganyan, clarifications, I tried to answer them. So just leave a comment. Bye!